While driving, if you hear a grinding noise, feel vibration on the brake pedal or steering wheel, pushing the brake pedal further than normal or having warning lights on, then your first point to check is your brake discs and brake pads. Make sure the brake discs are not too worn off, as it can cause a number of issues. Especially when it comes to the brake pads, make sure the thickness is not below 2 mm, as if you have no depth remaining on your brake pads, then this will cause grinding against your disc. Comes out as a dangerous defect which will result in a failure on the MOT, so do get them checked up.